Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with SSH on Linode using best practices, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with SSH on Linode using best practices, start by ensuring you have access to your Linode server. Log in to your Linode account and select the desired Linode instance from the dashboard. Once the instance is selected, note the public IP address of your Linode. Open your terminal application on your local machine. Use the command SSH keygen to generate a new SSH key pair. When prompted, specify a file location to save the key, or press enter to accept the default location. Optionally, enter a passphrase for added security, or press enter to leave it empty. Navigate to the .ssh directory in your home folder by using the command cd/.ssh. List the files to ensure your key pair has been created successfully by typing ls. Copy the public key to your clipboard using cat id_rsa.pub or a suitable command for your operating system. Return to the Linode dashboard and access the console of your Linode instance. Once logged in, create a .ssh directory in the home directory if it doesn't already exist, using dirp/.ssh. Set the correct permissions for the .ssh directory by typing chmod 700/.ssh. Open the authorized_keys file in a text editor with the command nano/.ssh/authorized_key. Paste your public key into this file, making sure it is all on one line. Save and close the editor. Set the appropriate permissions for the authorized_keys file with chmod 600/.ssh/authorized_keys. Exit the console and return to your terminal. Test your SSH connection by typing SSH username at your _Linode_IP, replacing username with your Linode username. If prompted, enter the passphrase you set earlier. Upon successful connection, you should be logged into your Linode server without needing a password. To enhance security, consider disabling password authentication. Edit the SSH configuration file with sudo nano/etc/ssh/sshd_config. Locate the line that says password authentication yes and change it to password authentication no. Save the changes and exit the editor. Restart the SSH service to apply the changes using sudo system restart sshd. Your Linode server is now configured for secure SSH authentication using best practices. Remember to keep your private key secure and regularly update your security practices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.